Hi. Today I have with me, with a social distance, safe. Today our class will be about circle. This is the first SAT class. We will have SAT class series. We're gonna start today and we're gonna keep going to help you guys anywhere in this world. Anywhere, any place. We need you to be safe. Stay home and keep your social distance. Try not to touch or to be close to anyone affected. For everyone in this universe, in this world, we need everyone to be safe, and we are here to help you. If you have any question about SAT, all what you have to do is to just add a comment, subscribe us in this YouTube. Our YouTube is SLS Tutoring. See if you have some more to say. Go ahead.
All you gotta say is stay safe and subscribe.
And how about the SAT class? What do you think? Today, our class today about what? Today about
Circles.
and in SAT, right? What also? Not only circles, arcs,
Arcs.
right? Circles,
Yeah.
arcs, sectors. Whatever we is gonna be done today, if we don't finish this today, we'll finish it later. Let's say today is part one, and let us see what we can do. Part one. Okay. I will show you some notes about circles. Then after that, we go back and solve some problem with the safe. Okay. Look here. Here we have what we have to study. The whole thing is a circle. Part of the circle is the crust, right? The crust of the pizza, right?
Yeah.
Is the arc. Any line does not pass through the center of the circle, we call it segment. Any line, this small piece, you see the green piece here safe? This is what we call a sector, like sliced pizza. Remind you what the sliced pizza, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What I have to know for SAT, the area of the circle. What the area of the circle safe?
Pi times the radius.
Square, right?
Yeah.
Raise your voice. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
What else? What we have here safe? What we have to know?
Circumference of a circle.
Circumference of what?
A circle equals pi times the diameter.
Time, the diameter. Okay, good save. Then I need everyone to remember these two formulas, which is the area of the circle, pi, times the radius square, c is pi times the diameter. And remember, the diameter of the circle is equal to 2 times what? The radius. Here are the formulas you have to know. Now, look what we have to study today and what we're going to have in SAT about the circle. Everyone going to do SAT, he must be able to recognize the circle equation. We have the standard form, x squared y squared plus ax plus by equals c. We call the standard form. One thing you have to remember, safe and everyone, to have a circle, you have to have both x squared and what? Y squared. And with the same coefficient, both of them positive. You cannot have one of them positive and the other negative. If you have one of them positive and the other negative, will be a different type of what? Conic sections, we call it, which is not our topic in SAT. Maybe if you're going to SAT Math Level 2, you have to know this. But for now, for SAT, all what you have to know that I have to have x squared, y squared with the same coefficient here and there. As example, look. If you have 2 here, you have to have 2 here. If you have 4, you have to have 4. Okay, this is the first part you have to know. The second thing, sometimes he will ask you to write the center form, which comes in the form x minus n squared plus y minus m squared equal r squared. N and m is your center, r is your radius, okay? Then we have two forms. If you have 2, 4, you have to divide the whole equation by the numbers comes with x squared and y squared. And remember, safe, always you have to have the same what?
Number.
If you have number different than one, what you have to do? Divide all the equation by what?
By that number.
By that number. Good? That's clear. Okay. Let us see how we can deal with this type of a problem in SAT for the circles. Now I'm not talking about what? The arc or what? Sector. Only what? Circle. Radius, from here to here radius, and from here to here. Here, listen, this R, and from here to here another R. R plus R is 2R, and diameter equal 2 times R. Good? Clear. You have a question, Safe?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Safe, let us go more. Look here, the rules you have to know. Always x squared and y squared are positive and have the same number. The same number we call it coefficient. The center of the circle is negative a over 2 and negative b over 2. Actually, I did this by myself to make the problem in SAT a lot easier because you have a limited time. You have a 20 problem in no calculator section in a 25-minute or 30-80 problem in the calculator section with 55 minutes. Then you have to be able to hit the answer right away and get the answer and the problem solved within a minute. I'm going to show you later on in the board how Safe, after he learned this, how he will be able to solve the problem quick. I'm going to time him. Let us take some examples and see how we can apply. After you find the center, which is negative a over 2 and n and m, then you can find the radius, which is r equal n square root of n squared plus m squared plus c. Okay, let us see. Here. Let me just minimize it. See the first example. X squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y equal negative 2. He will give you this problem, this AT, in this SAT, and he will ask you to find the center of the circle or the radius or both together. Look, quickly, Safe, you look to the problem. What you have, Safe? X squared, y squared.
Yeah.
This means what?
It's a circle.
Circle. Raise your voice, Safe. We have a social distance, right? Okay. Plus 4x plus 6y. You see these two numbers in red? You see these two numbers?
Yeah.
In red, right? Why? Because I need them.
Yeah.
Then quickly, this number, click on the pen. The pen. This one, the green one. No, this is the highlighter. This guy, okay? Which color you like, Safe? Blue? Okay, Safe like blue, okay. And then this number and this number. Okay, this number and this number and this number. Quickly, look what I did. The number 4, you take the opposite. If it's positive, you make it negative. If the 6 is positive, you make it negative. Divide by 2, then negative 2 and negative 3. Then I have the radius n, I have m, which is here, n, comma, m, and I have the radius, the constant value, which is negative 2. Then r equal n squared, this number is squared, this negative, when you square it becomes what?
4.
Positive, right? And negative 3 what?
Positive 1.
Good?
Yeah.
And you keep this number the same, negative 2. Good?
Yeah.
Clear? Then radius equal square root of 11. Center is this guy. Okay, that's clear? Let us go to the second problem, example. Then after that, we'll go to our board and give some problem for Safe to do. We have another 2 problems to explain. Again, Safe, x squared plus y squared equal negative 6x plus 2y. Safe, quickly, what is my center? What you have to circle? which is what?
Negative 6 and 2.
Negative 6.
Yeah.
And what?
2.
You take the opposite. What's the opposite of negative 6?
6.
Divided by 2.
It's 3.
What's the opposite of 2?
Negative 2.
Divided by 2.
Negative 1.
Good job. Now we know what the center, which is 3 and 1, right? Negative 1, right?
Yeah.
You go here, you square the 3 is what? 9. You square the negative 1 is what? 1. You add this number always plus 3. Okay. We found this way after too many trials to make it easy and simple and quick for the kids to solve any circle problem. Okay, that's easy. Look at the last example. The last example I meant to have a number here for a number with x squared and y squared. You see this number here? Safe?
Yeah.
We have a 3 and we have a 3, right? Then, wow, the 3 and the 3. Then I have to divide everything by what? Before I start my solution, right? Then what's my answer? When you divide 3x squared by 3x squared, divide 3y squared, divide negative 24 by 3 is what? Negative 8. Divide negative 12 by 4 is negative what? By 3 I mean give you 4, right? Don't forget to divide negative 6 also. You have to be fair. If you divide the left side, you have to divide the right side. Be fair all the time. Good. Now, we have our A and B, right? Negative 8, negative 4. Take the opposite, which is 8, divided by 2, which is 4. Take the opposite of negative 4, which is 4. Divided by 2 is what? 2. Then I have N and M. Go back, square the 4, 16. Square the 2 is 4. My number here, negative 2, and that's it, okay? Now let us see what Safe gonna do now. Let us see what Safe, come Safe here. Just stay away from me a little bit, please, Safe. Let us see Safe what he can do. Safe, question. I'm gonna give you a question. After that, I'm gonna see if you are able to. Okay. Question is find. Safe, I'm gonna time you now. Find, but you have the center and the radius. This example says, example 1. Look and radius, let us see if Safe able to solve this problem. Radius of circle. I'm gonna give you easy one, Safe. X squared plus y squared. It's not easy, but now it's gonna be easy plus 8y equal negative 1. Safe, come. You have your pen.
Yeah.
Take the page. You have to be nice and neat. Center. Write down the center. Equal. Open order pair. Okay, circle the negative 6. No, not like, okay, yes, yeah. Tell us what's the opposite of negative 6?
6.
Divided by 2. What's 6 divided by 2? Come on.
And the opposite of 8.
Raise your voice.
The opposite of positive 8 is negative 8 over 2.
Good job. Equal. Different color. You have the color in the bottom also if you want.
Yeah. 6 over 2 is 3. And negative 8 over 2 is negative 4.
Okay, that's the center. If you ask for the center, we're done, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now radius are remember
Radius equals 3 squared minus minus 1 because 1 is this,
The constant.
the constant.
Yes.
3 squared is 9. Negative 4 squared is.
Right, and say what he did wrong. Say if he did wrong something, he never put this in parentheses to avoid, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And then negative 4 squared is 16. Minus 1.
Equal. Different color finance. Take. Okay. Go ahead.
Plus 16 equals 27. Or 25. Minus 1 is 24. So that's your answer.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. And thank you, I mean, Sif. I'm going to give you one more problem, Sif. I'm going to give you one more problem. One more problem. Then we're going to end this session, right? And start with a new session with, okay, one example, but a little harder, Sif. Let us see what you can do. I'm going to give you some fraction, even if you hit your fraction, but you remember some of the SAT problems, they have fraction, right? Example, what we have to find what? Center and radius. I'm going to time you, but you have to be nice and neat in solving, right? I'm going to time you now. Y, 2y squared, 2x squared, plus, I messed up the thing, no problem. 2x squared minus 3y equal 5. Say, find the center. This equation you have to write it in the standard form, right? Right? Use different color from the bottom. Choose color from the bottom. Green. Here. Choose. No, dark green. Okay. Now write it. 2x squared plus 2y squared. I'm timing you. Use different color to divide. Green. Just push. Okay. By what? 2. Write your answer quick. Now our center. Good job. Come on. But he took one. Remember guys, say if he just did it quick, but if we have no number next to the any variable, our number is 1. And here, this negative becomes what?
Positive.
You don't have to put positive, right? 3 over what? Over 2, which is? Can I help you? Quick, okay.
Yeah.
3 over 4, right? My center, if you ask for the center. Okay, for the radius, hold on 1 second. R equal plus, always a plus. Square plus 5 over 2. Can I finish it for you? Okay, quick, yes. Then R, y safe, equal 1 over 4 plus 16 over 16, I'm sorry, 9 over 16. Fix me safe. Right?
Yeah.
9 over what?
16.
Plus.
5 over 2.
See, if we cannot add till we have the same denominator, right? What's my common denominator for all of them?
16.
Thank you, 16, safe said. Then multiply this by 4, this by 4, this by 8, this by 8. Then 4 plus 9 plus what?
40.
40. Then R equal square, how much?
53.
53 over what?
16.
But square root of 16 from radical class. This 4, right? That's okay. Now we are done for today class. I hope everyone doing good, or for circles only. Next time we will start with the arcs